Hello everyone, and welcome back to Sawdust and Circuits. Today we're turning this old drum I found at a thrift shop into a lamp, because nothing says classy home decor like a piece of battered percussion that's been reborn with RGB lighting. The price was low enough that I didn't even bother haggling. I did have to buy 3 stands because they were zip-tied together. And I didn't want to be that guy, asking the cashier to cut them apart. Future project fodder. Hopefully projects like this inspire you to look at old stuff differently. Let's make a lamp. The drum was well used, but in surprisingly good shape. You could tell somebody really wailed on this thing, but the shell and hardware were solid. Step 1, breaking it down. Gently. You don't want to use a hammer on a drum, unless your goal is instant regret. As I stripped it down, I started thinking about the layout for the LEDs. The idea is to use a RGB strip for that color wash mood lighting, and a white LED strip so it can still function as a normal lamp when you're feeling a little bit less disco. At first, I stuck the LED strips along the top edge of the drum shell. That looked okay, but the light was a bit too focused. It was trying to interrogate me. So I moved the LED strips towards the center, and suddenly the light diffusion was way better. Lesson learned. Middle management isn't always bad. The original drum heads were clear, and I do know that they sell white ones, but this project is on a budget. So I grabbed a can of frosted glass spray from Krylon at my local Home Depot. It dries to a matte finish and diffuses the light nicely. Plus, it makes you feel like you're doing a little bit of alchemy. Once everything was back together, I 3D printed a small mount for the bottom of the stand to hold a power jack. That let the cord run up the center of the stand, keeping it all clean and professional. Now for the reveal. And there it is, the thrift store drum reborn as a modern RGB lamp. Honestly, it turned out way cooler than I expected. If you've enjoyed this project, or you just want to see what else I do with the other two stands, hit that subscribe button. And drop a comment if you would use this as a lamp, or would you rather keep it in a music room for vibes only? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.